Find features that distinguish it from other brands for TROPOW Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, 130 watts, Waterliner Clean, wall climbing capability, with top-load filters, wall climbing scrubber brush. And why you should choose. Because it consists of the following features. Powerful wall climbing. This pool cleaning robot is equipped with a 6-amp power motor, ensuring quick and effective wall climbing and simultaneous brushing. No manual operation is needed, and it can thoroughly clean pools of any shape. Dual filter baskets. The top-loading filter basket is easy to disassemble for cleaning and includes 2 filter baskets for coarse and fine screening, capable of cleaning fine sand, silt, and leaves. Additionally, the semi-transparent shell allows visual monitoring of debris accumulation, eliminating the need for constant checking and making pool cleaning effortless. Full coverage automatic cleaning. This cleaning robot can automatically clean your pool comprehensively, including the bottom, walls, and waterline, saving you time and effort. 56 feet extra long power cord. No need to worry about outlet placement issues, as we provide you with an extra long power cord that can reach up to 30 feet pools. Simply plug it in, place it in the water, switch it on, and after 2 hours, you will have a clean pool. Efficient cleaning. This cleaning robot achieves a cleaning efficiency of 20 square meter per hour, 700 square feet per hour, allowing for pool cleaning in 2 to 3 hours for residential pools and also being highly efficient for commercial use. With simple controls, this machine makes pool cleaning easy and prepares you for a refreshing summer. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.